Good day, good day. I hope you are doing great, guys. I hope you are doing great. Just trying to test my stream. We not started yet. I'm just trying to test if everything's fine. But it seems like everything is fine. Just let me know if maybe you can hear me clearly, or if maybe there is something that is not clear. The voice, let me know if my voice is clear on your other side, if you can hear me. If everything is visible or something, just let me know. Just let me know. So, but we will be starting in 10 minutes. So I'm also trying to check other on my other devices if everything is it's perfect. Tulani says everything is perfect. Okay, that's great. And someone says, Kenzo, it's 100%. Remember, guys, we have CPI. We have CPI. So let me just write it here. CPI in 40 minutes. Okay, let me just check this. KCT, loud and clear. Thanks. Okay. So if it's like that, I'm just going to check some other things. Just want to make sure. Just want to make sure that everything is nice. Let's see. Live. So yeah, you can tell your friends that we're back on our live session. I'm trying to check if everything is nice. Seems like everything's fine. Resolution wise, let's see if we are scaling out to 1080p. Are we going to 1080? 1080p, 1080p. Specific resolution. Let's see. Well, this is nice, man. This is nice. I think everything is straightforward. I don't think maybe we have any issue. Everything is everything is sharp. It's like everything is sharp. So everything is good. We can hear you well. James, how are you, man? I hope you're doing great. Yeah, I think everything is fine. So we are going to start in 7 minutes. Let me just prepare my cup of coffee. So yeah, let's work, guys. Let's work. Don't forget that we have CPI in few minutes. So that is going to be we're going to be very busy. So another thing is, guys, if you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you did not really like that, so that the channel can grow very nice, right? So let's see. So I'm preparing a cup of coffee, then we can continue in 7 minutes. Thanks. Okay. Let's start. Guys, I think I see FX Wolf. Guys, I just said we will be studying at 2. So I'm very surprised when you say this is boring. Come on, be patient. You are a trader. You should have that. So yeah, welcome to everyone who is here. Let's see what's really happening. At the moment, we are on a DXY, and we know very well that in 30 minutes we're gonna have some news, which it's actually CPI and retail sales. So we'll check that, by the way. But on my DXY here, we can easily see that the market is trying to break out. The market is trying to break out of that support area. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's see. We can easily see that yes, the market, we had a very nice support there. It seems like the market will end up going down on US dollar index, and if it keeps going down like that, it will mean that USD pairs, they are going to gain some momentum if it will be going down like that, because this measures the strength of the dollar. I hope you understand that. So analyze gold buy on analyze and okay. So let's see Euro JPY. Okay, it's just the same pattern. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I will start with S&P, or I don't know if people do check S&P 500. But now we are actually on Nasdaq, and from there I will be trying to go down. So on Nasdaq 100, guys, we saw the market trying to go to the upside, and if we go on our left hand side there, you will see that the market is actually reaching this highest level. We had something like this previously, and this is where the market was reaching, but we're no longer going to count that because the market already created something for us. So if we go closer, you will see that we have a proper resistance. This is actually a resistance, but a better move is going to be coming from the news, because we have CPI in less than 30 minutes. So will the market break this resistance, or maybe the market break this, or maybe touch this support before going higher? So it's up to the market, because at the moment we have to try to understand that we have the news and we can't just jump before that. So we have to know if maybe the news are going to be positive or negative, and that is going to be what we are going to do. So on the next one, it's actually US30, and you can just let me know which pairs do you want me to check. I will also check that. I will also go on gold and other currency pairs, right? So yeah, I will be checking other pairs. Yeah, so on US30, we can see that yes, we have a very nice bullish structure. The market is actually going to the upside. So which means we are coming from this nice downtrend structure. You remember when the market was going down aggressively, coming from that aggressive bullish structure, we had this as a very nice downtrend structure. So we're done with that. At the moment we are here, we expect the market to continue with this nice bullish momentum. So what I see here is we might end up going to the upside again, but I'm expecting a nice reversal before we go up. I'm expecting a very nice reversal. I might be wrong because we have the news, but I think something like this is what we might expect. But I feel like a nice reversal can actually work in our favor. But already DXY, it shows us that it's already going down. It's already going down, and that might give us a sign that the dollar is losing some momentum. Maybe the market will just start by going to the upside, but we can't just jump on the market already. We understand that we are on an uptrend, but we have to understand what's really happening with the economic news, CPI and retail sales. So I will be going live up to, we will see. Maybe we can even reach when the market opens. We will even reach when the market opens. So now we are on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD shows us that, guys, we are now breaking out of that downtrend structure. We had a proper a downtrend structure. You can see that the market was actually showing us that it's going down. It was going down. I think it was going down. You can see that. So what's really happening is the market is trying to get out of that. But to be safe, I feel like if you go closer there, you will see that we have an area that we can use as a potential resistance that we can't just ignore. So yes, we know that the market already broke here, but this area, this horizontal resistance, it's also very valid. So for us to start with that buy trend or uptrend, I think we have to break this area, and the market might continue going up like that. I think that actually can work in our favor, you see. So, but at the moment, since we have the news, it will be difficult just to jump on the market. And remember, there's nothing to worry about. We don't really have to rush because the market won't be going anywhere after CPI. So, which means it might be a one candlestick or maybe going down like that, but we will still find a proper way to jump on the market. You see, we'll find a nice structure for us to jump on the market. So let's see the other one. This one is just obvious. Euro USD. Euro USD, it's like not playing around. You can easily see that already the market is showing us, guys, I'm going up. We are coming from a nice downtrend structure. Let me change this color. We can easily see that we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure. Already the market broke out. So this one to us, it's a pure breakout, and we're expecting to see a continuation of that buy. But since we have the news, we can't just jump in. If they are going to be positive, like yesterday, we saw PPI yesterday, it was positive, we might see a nice reversal. We might see a very nice reversal. You see, so I see someone said Jeff free trades. I analyzed the buys on gold and Nasdaq. Okay, how long the live is going to be? Maybe 1 hour or 2. Do you use RSI? Nope, I don't. USD CAD, please. Okay, that's good. I will also check USD CAD. So now on Euro USD, we can easily see that already the market is showing us that it's gonna go up. That is good because we don't really have to do much. We'll just wait for the news, and yeah, we will see what will happen. So let me go on this USD CAD. USD Canada. Let's see what's really happening on USD Canada. I think we are on this nice uptrend structure. We are on this nice uptrend structure. What's really happening? We can just extend this. We can see that the dollar here, it was, or it's still on a very nice uptrend structure. We are on a very nice uptrend structure, guys. So let's remove this for now. So you can easily see that we are on a nice uptrending. So there is a chance that the market can respect this level and go to the upside. There is that chance. But what we have here, I think maybe on a daily time frame, because this structure is quite big, we can see something. Let's go. I think this is quite clean. So we see that, yes, the market is trying to go up for quite some time now. But where we are on a level where we can say the market might respect. We might see a very nice push to the upside, only if maybe the dollar is going to gain that momentum. But we saw DXY was not really agreeing with that. So which means if the dollar is going to be weaker, we might see the market breaking out of this support area. But it seems like this support area is quite stronger. It seems to be quite strong, but we will check what is going to happen, you see. What do you think about Euro JPY and AUD JPY? BTC USDT? Okay. I will try to see. I hope on USD CAD is quite clear. I think maybe you can understand the way I explained there. So let's try to see Euro JPY, or let me start from JPY, and then I will go on Euro JPY. So on this structure, to me, it's a very nice uptrend structure. You can see that. You can see that. So this is a proper uptrend structure. So to me, I think around this level, it's a proper resistance. But I think the market did not really reach at that level that I wanted. But there is a chance for the market to still go there, touch that. But for now, we can just follow what we see. The market touched this level. I can just try to take this little bit lower. We can try to take that little bit lower. We can make this thing thicker, this resistance thicker. Then we have something like this. But on my side, this is obvious because we had some very nice touches around this level. So maybe the market will be going down up to that point. Then we can say maybe we're going to have another continuation of a buy, unless if maybe the market will be trying to reverse that. Hello, how are you, my brother? A long time, man. Long time. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great. So this is what we see, by the way. The market is still going up. The market is still going up. Very nice. So yeah, maybe a nice reversal can work in our favor here. Then we can buy around this level. Remember, we don't really go against the trend, which means if the market reverses here, we're not gonna take that sell. We'll just wait and see. So yeah, that's what I see on GBP JPY. So on Euro JPY, I think it's also obvious. We can easily see that the market is on this nice uptrend. Maybe if we can go on a daily time frame, it's gonna be quite clear. But I think even on 4 hours time frame, it was. So we have something like that. Let's touch enough candlesticks. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. So yeah, we have something like this. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that like. Don't forget to smash that like. So this is what we have, by the way. We can easily see that the market is still going up. Very nice. We had this nice push to the upside, but where we are, I can definitely say we reached that resistance. Maybe the market will end up reaching our support again because we were smashing this buys. So maybe the market will be coming back around this level and we can have a very nice buy, you see. So I'm expecting to see a very nice reversal that can actually work in our favor. And I think the best way it will be just waiting for the market to reach our support area before we look for that buy, you see. So Mutaung, how are you, man? How are you? I hope you are doing great. What's the reason behind you don't use RSI? It's not specifically RSI because there are other indicators that I don't really use. So specifically for RSI, I don't have that specific reason because I use specific strategy that doesn't really, I don't really see the need to use other indicators, not only RSI. So which means, yeah, I don't really use it. I'm not saying it's not working. I'm just saying that I don't really use RSI. So whatever that I'm using, I'm actually using trend trading strategy, which means I follow the trends. And when you follow the trends, to me, I feel like I don't really require much of the indicators. So, but it's up to individual. that's how I do things, and maybe someone can feel a different way. So what do you think will happen to CPI? So on CPI, guys, I feel like the numbers might go down. We might see the likes of gold and Nasdaq going up. Yes, that is just an estimation. It's just an estimation. It's not like everything's going to be like that. So now we are on gold. We see that gold is trying to go to the upside. We have a proper structures here. So I'm expecting to see maybe a nice reversal before we see a proper push to the upside. But we know very well that gold is coming from a very, very, very aggressive bullish structure. We can see that the market it's coming from this nice bullish structure. We're coming from this type of a structure. We had a smaller breakout, then the market started to consolidate a little bit. Now the market seems to be going up again. The market seems to be going higher again. So what we see here is another continuation of that bullish structure. But this is still at the early stages. We can't just say this trend, it's like solid. So we're waiting for a few touches before we can say this is solid, because at the moment, yes, we can see that the market is trying to go up, but we need to have solid structures as the market is coming from this consolidation structure. But I think that that buy can continue. I think that trend can continue going even higher. That's what I see. So now, as you can see, we have our economic calendar. And on this economic calendar, we can see that the problem with this news or this economic news today is we have CPI and retail sales at the same time. And you can see that we have like another events around the same time. So this is the problem, because we might have plus or minus. You can see the estimates here. If we have plus minus around this level, they might cancel each other or cancel the moves. So we might not really have any crazy move. Or if the market is going, or let's say if the news are going to be in the same, on the same side, let's say if maybe they are going to be positive, that is going to be aggressive. And the opposite might also happen. If they are going to be on the negative side, it means we will see the dollar selling. But most likely it's not really, mostly it's not going to be possible for everything to be on the same side. It's possible, but it's rare. But we might get, what I think we might get plus or negatives, whatever. And at the end of the day, the move that we were actually waiting for, we might not really get that. And we might get disappointing moves, you see, because mostly during the news we expect some crazy move, but with this type of news at the same time, this will actually affect our spikes. The market will be going up and down, and at the end of the day we might not really get a proper move, but it will depend which one is going higher. But the most important one is going to be CPI. So CPI, for those who don't know, is going to be way too important. Why? Because they are going to actually take their decision of rate cuts looking at this CPI. If CPI is going to go down, then it is going to be very, very, very good for Federal Reserve to cut their rates. Yesterday, PPI went higher, and that is not really good. And even though the market did not really react much on that, that was not really good, right? Tom Jones, how are you, man? I hope you're doing great. Thanks for liking the channel. Yeah, so let's see what we can get. Again, I see someone said, Kenzo, check Bitcoin. I will go on Bitcoin. On USD, JPY, I think we also have quite similar moves. We also have quite similar moves. We are on this nice uptrend structure. On top of there, we also have these areas of resistance. So I thought maybe the market was going to reach this level, but it seems like the market is reversing quite earlier. And yeah, it's not really something that I was expecting. But at the end of the day, I think the market might end up just continuing with that trend. Don't forget to smash that like, guys. Don't forget to smash that like. So I really appreciate everyone who's here. So what do we see on USD JPY? I think we might see a very nice sell before we go higher. We might get something like that. We might get something like that, you see. So let's try to go on Bitcoin. There's a brother who said, Kenzo, check Bitcoin. I don't know if USDT, Bitcoin USDT and yeah, but I think it's going to be the same thing because USDT, it's just a dollar. It's stable coin. It's actually a stable coin. So I think the structures might be quite the same. So let's hope that is the same. You can let me know that if maybe it's not really the same. Just let me know. So on Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is trying to play games with us. We can try. Let's see. On Bitcoin, guys, we have this nice structure. It was going up very nice. And what we get now is we were on a very nice uptrend. So from that nice uptrend, now the market is doing what? It's now consolidating around the structure. You see that? But inside the same support and resistance, we also have this idea that the market might be trying to go down, you see. So for us to think about selling, it means the market just have to get out of that support area. We will say then it's time for us to look for that sell. But it seems like the market is just going quite slower. So it's up to the market. Then we will decide what will happen. So we can have something like this. Something like that. You see that? On the bottom side, we might have something like this also. So it makes sense that maybe this Bitcoin is trying to reverse. I think it's trying to reverse. But anyways, that's how it is. So S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So let's go on S&P 500 and give you what I think. So I think I did not really talk much about. Firstly, let's go on Bitcoin. So not on Bitcoin, on S&P and Nasdaq. S&P and Nasdaq. So while we are here, we left with 9 minutes. So where we are, it will depend with the market, guys, not us. So it will depend with the news. So if the news or whatever that we're gonna get from CPI and retail sale, if they are going to be positive, we will see a very nice sell. You see, we will see a very nice sell. But remember, we are on this nice uptrend. So if we have that sell, there is a chance for the market to reach these areas, maybe this support, or maybe it might break and go down up to this point. You see that support area down there? And around this area, we might see a very nice push. This is S&P 500, by the way. So we might have that push the upside. If CPI and retail sales are going to be positive, we will see a nice sell. But if they're going to be negative, obviously we will see a nice reversal. We will see the market going even higher. And from there, we will know that there is a chance for the Federal Reserve or FOMC to cut the rates next month. So on Nasdaq 100, we are still on the same quite similar structure. This is an uptrend structure. So we have this smaller trend there. It's an uptrend. You can see I connected these areas here and they make sense. And after that, we started to see the market flying aggressively. So what we have now is we have these areas that we can call support resistance. But after this news, which we left with 8 minutes now, it's up to the market whether to break this resistance or maybe to go even lower. But this is going to come from CPI and retail sales. So if retail sales, as I repeat, if it's going to be positive, it's going to be a different story. So let's go on that. So I think maybe you can see here, we left with 6 minutes. So you can see that. So estimates or forecast, they say that core CPI, which is very, very important. Core CPI is very important. Mostly they check this core. Then what's really happening? They say previously it was 0.4%, and now estimates they expect to get 0.3. So if we get less than this 0.3, yes, that is good for Nasdaq and S&P 500 and also US30. So the thing is, we also have retail sale, right? So if retail sale also, they say last month it was, or previous month it was 1.1%. This was aggressive. So if we get less than 0.2, that is going to be very good for Nasdaq. But if it's going to be higher than that, it's going to be a different story. And I think these numbers are very low. We might end up having those plus numbers, you see. We just have to wait and see. We will see what will happen. But what I see here is they expect all these numbers to go down comparing to last month or previous. You can see previous event it was this number. Now we expect this. It's not like this is it's already out there. It's just the estimate how analysts try to think or analyze this. They expect these numbers to be around that. So if it's going to be higher, it's going to be a different story. We're going to see a massive sell. If it's going to be lower, it's where we're going to see a massive push to the upside. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Rupesh, my brother, how are you? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great, man. Long time. Was trying to get a good time because we get busy sometimes. So every hour counts. So I tried to squeeze something. Maybe we can get 1 hour, maybe 1 hour to 2 hours per day on the live session. That will be good. That will be actually very good. So yeah. Yeah, no, it's you were not wrong. Actually, it's how the market does its stuff because this news or economic news left and right, it can be confusing for the market sometimes. So we just have to wait for today because if you still remember, we also had Powell speaking after the news. I think 1 hour after we had PPI, he was speaking and he was positive. That's why we saw the market going up. So now we are on German 30. We are on German 30. We are on US30. So what's really happening? What's really happening? On DXY, not DXY, sorry, German 30. Yeah, I think it's DXY. DAX, not DXY, DAX. So we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure, which was aggressive, by the way. Then we had this nice consolidation structure here. Then the market started to go to the upside. So what we have now is we have a proper uptrend structure. So let me try to draw that. Let me try to draw this. I think it's not going to be as perfect. Let's see. Something like that, but I don't really like that. It's very steep. The market can break this type of a structure anytime. So what we have, we can say, let's draw this just to make our structure to understand where we're coming from with this uptrend. We broke out of this resistance, then the market started to fly. Where we are, we can say we see a nice resistance structure. Let's remove this. We know that we are on an uptrend, but I don't think this makes sense the way we want. So I think something like this, it's what we have. So it's up to the market to actually respect that, to go up. So it's up to the market. At the moment, we don't really know. And we know very well that German 30 is going to react to what is going to get out today in 2 minutes. If they are going to be positive or negative, we are going to see something, right? So, yeah, let's go on Nasdaq. Remember, guys, actually the aim of this live session is to check Nasdaq, gold, and maybe US30. Yes, we can still do other ones, but actually we specialize with Nasdaq and US30 and gold. So Rupesh, yeah, Powell pushed the market up as he said he didn't feel that data was hot. Exactly my point. I'm worried about today. Actually, less than a minute. If maybe he's gonna say the same thing because things seems to be hot. So guys, we will be just counting down together here. We will be counting down because it seems like we left with some very few seconds. Less than a minute. So I will actually update my people in the group. Also, you here, you are lucky today. We are on a live session. So we will see if things are going positive or not, right? So yeah, we will see. We will see. Hopefully, Jackies, how are you, man? I hope you're doing great, man. Yeah. So less than 20 seconds. Let's see what's really happening. Yes, this sometimes you just need to stay out. Sometimes you can just jump in and trade the spikes. But when we have like more than 2, 4, 6 events around the same time, that is actually a problem because we don't really know what will be here. Now we less than 2 seconds. Let's see. Whoa, it's going up. Let's see. It's spiking. It's going up. It seems like it's going down, guys. Let's see the numbers. I don't see the numbers already. It's pending. It's taking time and the market is going up. Whoa, it seems like things are going down. I think things are good, guys. I think we have some very nice stuff going on. I think we have enough for today. No, this is good. No, this is good because the numbers went down, even though they did not really go crazy up like that. But I think this is good. Now, I think we can actually jump on that buy. Just let's look at this. Before, CPI did not really change much. It's just the same as last month. Core CPI, which shows, it's not really the same. It went lower because previously or last month it was 0.4. The other ones, they went even lower. It was 0.2 and last month it was 1.1. At least we see a smaller push to the lower side. Which one is this? CPI month over month went lower. Everything just went lower actually. I think it's a good thing. I think we are on a good thing that we can actually follow. So this is good, by the way. That's why we need to buy Nasdaq and US data. I think the market did not really open, but we will see the market continuing like that. You see, I think we will see the market continuing like this. So US30 will also try to go to the upside. So everything will be going up. Let's see gold. GBP USD. So sorry, let's go on gold. Yeah, I think things are starting to look good. Now, let me try to send the signal, guys, in the group. So what I see here is we better scalp, not just buy and hold, because we might have some serious reversals. So what we're going to have here, it's something like that. We can look at that. So a buy can actually move nicely. So just give me a few seconds. I will be trying to send this to my people in the team. So let me send the signal in the group. Thank you. Yeah, sorry. I'm back. Sorry. I had to go check something very quick. So let's see this on a smaller time frame. Yeah, I'm still expecting to see a very nice push. Remember, guys, the market is not actually opened yet. So we might see a nice reversal here and there before the market pulls back. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside. But remember, especially on Nasdaq, the market did actually price itself yesterday from that level. So the market might not really move aggressively. So you see. So it means now, if maybe you were taking that, you should be extra careful that we might have a smaller reversal before we go up. But the news were positive. The news were positive. Yes, I think you're right there, Rupesh. I think we're going to see some very nice moves, but the market might struggle to break this actually all-time high. Remember, we are on a new area here. We are reaching that. We're already on 18. We are going to go and break that level, and that is actually the highest level at the moment. And if we break out of that, we're going to see the market fly. Remember, also next week it's going to be a very good week for us. We have Nvidia earnings. That can be something. That is going to be something, right? So yeah, that is something that we are waiting for. We are waiting for that. At the moment, we're just trying to relax. But I'm expecting to see the market go up. But at the moment, what I said to the team, I said, you know what? Let's just scalp it. They don't really hold it that longer. So we can see US30 is trying to reverse also. But I think before the market opens, we can have some proper buy. I think we can have a proper buy that everyone will be using. So I think that can work in our favor. So let's check gold. Oh, gold is also struggling to break. Let's place something here. Yeah, now let's wait here. We just want to see what will happen. We just want to see what will happen. Don't worry, guys. I'm trying to work with you now. At the same time, I'm also trying to update my people in the groups so that some, because they are not here on our live session, so we have to balance that equation. So just only 5 minutes trying to talk to them, I don't think it's gonna hurt. So, but by the way, don't forget to smash that like. Don't forget to smash that like. I'm expecting a very nice buy. Then I will just send a proper buy pending order for everyone in the group so that they can see where they can have a stop loss or maybe where they can have a buy. So let's start to do that. So now I'm just trying to send this to my people so that they can have a nice buy and a nice stop loss where they can use actually to know when to take it as a take profit or something like that. If it reverses here, we will see, but I think we're gonna adjust that once time goes on. So I think where we are actually on a very nice area to have that buy pending order. So let me send that. Let me try to send that. I hope you are not over risking, guys. I hope you are not over risking. Let me send the signals. I thought my Wi-Fi was weak, but you were quiet. But now I see how. Mutawung, don't worry, man. The thing is, I have my people also, so I need to give or update them. So sometimes, I'm trying to cooperate on both sides. So sometimes you just need to understand that I will just keep quiet maybe for 2 minutes, do something, or maybe I want to make a coffee or cup of coffee, because most likely you might find that this session can be quite longer, and I don't really have to be like I'm forced, so I can just relax, do something very quick, and then we can just continue. I hope maybe that makes sense. Play small, guys. We will be volatile at open. Yeah, I think the market will be going crazy when the market opens here. The market will end up going crazy when the market opens, and that is going to be good because I hope maybe we will see some very nice bullish move, but a reversal it's also possible. Let's not just fight the market because the news were very good. That can be something. That can be something. Don't just go all in. Apply your risk management, guys, so that we can still trade together tomorrow. We're not fighting the market. So tomorrow is still another day. But it seems like Nasdaq is going to create some very nice moves here. Seems to be going to create some very nice moves. I'm expecting to see some very nice. So you can see already Nasdaq is going up. I already have buy pending orders, guys. Let me just also give this to you. I know people, they'll be saying, Kenzo, we also want that. So the buy pending, it's a buy pending. Buy pending order. Let me say at 18,429. So that's the working. The stop loss or the take profit, guys, is up to you. I'm not gonna choose that for you. So it's up to you, guys. So let me give my people some things to eat. So let's see. S&P 500, it's also flying. I think maybe US30 was also, they are the same. It's fine. So let me see, because some of my people, they don't really understand when I say scalp. So it means I have to send them everything quite slower like this. And you know what? They deserve that. They are part of the team, so they deserve this pamper or is pampering or something. So yeah, they paid for this. So let me see. I'm expecting a continuation. Don't worry, bro. Kenzo with me. Sam Holding, how are you, man? Ideal buying area would be the green area marked by Kenzo. Market might be down. Okay, that's great. Yeah, so there is a chance for the market to actually retest here before going up. But with this news, the market might just play around before going up. Don't just go all in, because once we adjust the pending order, that can also be a good time for you to add another position around this level if the market will be doing that. If the market is not gonna bounce back, then it means the market might be going higher. And another thing is, don't have this thing of FOMO, like you just want to be in the market like there is no tomorrow. Just relax. We're not gonna miss anything. The market will reverse. The market will continue going up. So we still have a chance to do everything that we want, right? So our SL is gonna be 39602. 4K 1. S&P 500 is also flying, but I'm not gonna send that because they all going to move quite similar way. I think maybe gold is the one that we can try to take. If you check gold, guys, we are on a very nice structure where we can say gold is trying to break out. Gold is trying to break out. So let's see. You see that? So this is a very nice structure to me because the market is already trying to show me that it's trying to go even higher. So just look at this. So if it breaks here, we're going to have a very nice buy. Do you see that? So, and we've been talking about that. So what we can do now is let's try to have a nice buy pending order above that. Buy pending order, I like buy pending orders because we're not just jumping on the market. So we wait for the market to go above that area and reach certain levels before we say that it's a buy. So you can see that the time frame is actually on a 4 hours time frame. So, but even on 4 hours time frame, it's supposed to make sense. So let me go on that smaller time frame, which is gonna be 15 minutes time frame. So we are gonna have something like this. Do you see that? So this is what we have. This is what we have. Let's see. On gold, let's push it a little bit higher. It's possible that the market can respect that resistance. That's why we don't really want to place it very, very closer. I think TP here is fine. We don't really have to go aggressive on this. So my notification will be around the center. So if maybe we are eating, I will be notifying my people that, you know what, it's time for us to get out. I will be notifying my people that, yeah, it might be a very good time for us to get out. So let's see. Gold. Buy pending order. Yeah, I think we will just wait for the market, guys, to open. I thought maybe I will just try to go off, but we will just wait for the market to open and just to see what is going to happen. But the best thing that you can do is to try to smash that subscribe button, because even tomorrow we will be trying to go on our live session. So you don't really miss that. You don't really have to miss our live session, because I think it's a very good place for traders to learn. We're both learning. It's not like maybe I know too much, but we can actually both learn new stuff. We can actually learn stuff. So, yeah. Yeah, so let's see. Now I think it's time for us to go back on that. Whoa. What happened on EuroJPY? Oh, EuroJPY accelerated that sell, but not really that much. So now let's go on our Nasdaq. So as you know, we have that buy pending order. Let's go there and relax here. Slowly we will do other analysis, but we are still on this gold. We can see that we are going back on that. We are going back on that nice buy. Or let's just check a smaller. Let's put it. Let's place this on 1 hour, just to see what's really happening. So something like this can work in our favor. If maybe you're following that buy pending order, it means that the market will be touching your order, so which means we will be actually about to eat. But remember, the market, once the market opens, things might change very quick. Things might change very quick. So let's be extra careful because, you know, the market can go crazy. Yeah, if you're good, Sam, that's good, man. If you are just chilling, that's very good. Let's just see what will happen. I'm waiting for the market to give me something. Seems like the market will give us something here. I'm expecting to eat, guys. I'm expecting to eat. Yeah, so guys, which pair do you want me to check? I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish move here. And maybe we will end up seeing something like this. So if the market reverses here, I'm expecting it to have a nice reversal around this level before we have that nice buy. But at the moment, I think maybe we might not really have an aggressive reversal because the news, I think they were in our favor. So I think we might see a very nice push. But what you can see there, we did not really have that crazy reversal, so which means, or the crazy spike, so which means the market might just continue moving like that for quite some time now. But let's just relax. Let's relax and see. If we eating, we will be eating. Let's check US30. Okay, US30 is also trying to go even higher, so which means this is actually a very good thing if the market will be continuing. So yeah, let's wait and see. The market will be opening in 33 minutes, so not really far. A few minutes actually, waiting for us to see what we can do. We are waiting for the market to do something. So now the market is just stuck, but I think it's gonna be a very good time for us to see what we can do. I think when the market opens, it's where we're gonna see some crazy push. So at the moment, it seems like the market is just playing games. At the moment, the market is just playing games. Let's see. Let's see if we are willing to go higher or not. Are we going to go up or not? Yes, you're right. Once the market opens, I think things they are going to go crazy. We'll see the market trying to go crazy, obviously. So, but we need to be on the right side of the market. We don't really have to be doing some stuff. So, but a reversal, a smaller reversal can be there, or just an aggressive push to the upside can also happen. So that's what I'm expecting at the moment. So let's just warm up. Oh no, I'm not actually. That is not on a growth account. So I will be. Unfortunately, I did not really update everyone about that. I will be updating everyone like from this Monday. Then we can continue with that. I was just trading on my normal account, so because I did not really have enough trades on Nasdaq. So sometimes I wait very long because I did not really want to mix this. Signals on that account. So I just wanted to have one symbol or one instrument. So, but I will be updating you about that. So once I resume with that, I will be sending with the growth account. Anything that I will be taking on Nasdaq, it must be on that growth account also. You see. So let's go. The market is still playing. Seems to be reversing slowly. We want to see once the market opens. Will the market give us something? It's possible. It's possible. So the news were not really that bad. So let's check what happened on DXY. Dollar index. Whoa. Oh, that's why we see a smaller reversal. We see that dollar index did go aggressively lower. And if you still remember, the market was already out. The market already broke out here. So the market just continued. So the question will be, will this continue to reverse, or maybe are we going to have a continuation of a sell? I think with this type of a structure, a reversal can actually work in our favor, because when you see this reversal here, it might come back to retest around this level before we see those aggressive sells. So, and when we see this DXY trying to reverse here, it means the dollar, the gold, they are also reversing on the opposite direction. So which means once we reach this area, it's where maybe Rupesh was talking about on that support area, then we might start to see the market going down. But as the market is opening in 28 minutes, we will see what will happen here. I think we might see a continuation of this sell, but at the moment, the market seems to be trying to reverse a little bit. So yes, I think it's very good for us just to be patient. We can be patient. Let's see what's really happening on gold. I'm also expecting gold to go even higher, guys. We can see that gold is actually on a resistance. It might break this level, and before we might see the market going higher. If it breaks here, it's going to be a very nice bullish structure. We can see that we're coming from a nice bullish structure. So it's up to the market to break before we continue. It's up to the market to break. And once the market opens, that might happen very quick. So let's go on Nasdaq or US30 or Euro USD. Let's go on Euro USD. So now, since we see this nice breakout, so our job now, like on Euro USD, is to wait for a nice retest. Just look at this. We are going to do something like this. Wait for the market to reverse here, touch this area before we go up. Or the market might give us a very nice structure. The market might start to consolidate or range around this level, and that will be our future resistance. And if that is going to happen, it means we're going to wait for that structure to be broken before we jump on that. At the end of the day, it might be something like this. And if it breaks, we're going to jump on that, something like that. And it might just continue like that. At the end of the day, that is actually going to be a very nice uptrend structure. So it's up to the market. If we reverse, that is going to be good. We're going to buy, or maybe around that level. I hope that makes sense. Another one. GBP seems to be continuing. GBP seems to be continuing to go up. What we see here is the market on GBP already broke out before the news, but they did not really go crazy. But it seems like we will be seeing that continuation. Do you see that? It seems like we're going to see that continuation around that. So we can have an area that might seems to be like a resistance, but at the moment we don't really have that. So which means we are waiting for the market to retest, or maybe the market will end up creating something. But I feel like the market might just continue because the news are quite positive at the moment. The news are good for GBP, especially against the dollar. US30 did do its thing, tried to go even higher, but we had a smaller reversal. But I'm still expecting to see the market continuing. As you can see, we have this area. If maybe we have that reversal, maybe the market will be just reaching this level here before going up. Do you see that? That's what I see. The market might just reverse here and go even higher. So that is possible. Or maybe the market will just continue. It's possible. the market will just continue. If that's how the market wants to do its thing, that might just continue. And it's possible because the news were actually in our favor. The news were not really that negative. So on Nasdaq, we can see that we have an order already there, but we were not going to get in earlier because we can't act like we just know everything. Obviously, we did not really know what was going to happen before the news. What we knew is the market is actually on an uptrend, which means we just continue doing what? Buying. But this, it's a good news because the news were actually not really that good. So it gives the Nasdaq a chance to keep going even higher. And at the moment, we expect that. We expect to see the market continuing, going even higher. Simple as that. So on S&P 500, I think I have to send this because some people, they just trade S&P 500 only, especially in my team. So I don't really have to give only Nasdaq guys some signals. So let's go on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, let's see. 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Some people, they can say, Kenzo, why do you give signals around that level? Guys, we are on a very nice bullish structure. So what we have here is either the market might give us a nice retest around this level, or maybe around this level. Let's see. Double that, copy that. Something like that. So what we have now is there is a chance for the market to do what? To reverse up to this point before we look for that buy, or maybe the market will just continue. So for now, on S&P 500, I feel like let me just place a notification there. If the market crosses that, I will just take that buy or buy pending order and send that straight to the team, right? So on Nasdaq, I think we can just go back on our 4 hours time frame. We're waiting for the market to open. Let's see how many minutes are left. How many minutes are left for the market to open? I'm still waiting. Let's see, where is that time? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's open. I just want to open that. There is this website where you can check when the market is opening. For those who don't really have that, it's called time zone for the markets. But I think I will just check that for you. I think I removed that. Let me check time zone. No, I think I removed that. I wanted to show you with the exact minutes when we are, while we are still here. But anyways, it's fine. It's fine. What did I do with that? Okay, it's fine. So let's see. Seems like the market is struggling to go a little bit lower, which means we might end up going nicely higher. And that is something that we want. How many did take that? How many did take that buy pending order? How many did take that buy pending order? Please, guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So we're still holding. Are we going to eat? I'm hoping so. I'm expecting to eat. Once the market opens here, we might have some very nice bullish structures or bullish moves. We're expecting some very nice bullish moves. Wait and see. Let's relax and see. We're having a very nice structure, expecting to eat. But it seems like Nasdaq is already trying to go even higher. And let's see US30. US30 is also doing the same thing, trying to go also higher. So, I thought maybe this was gold. I think gold it has to be closer to these things. Gold has to be higher. Gold is supposed to be. Yeah, they must go with the ranks, right? So, yeah, on gold, I'm expecting to have that breakout. I'm expecting to have that breakout. So what I'm going to do here is I will place the notification so that I can see or hear, sorry, I can hear once the market triggers that area or reaches that area. But just know that I'm expecting to see a very nice buy once the market gets out of that, right? I'm expecting to see a very nice buy. So let's see. Let's see. Let's go on. We left with very few minutes, guys. I think it's 18 minutes left before the market open, before Nasdaq open or New York Stock Exchange open. So we also have US30 signals, guys. For those who wants to be part of the team, by the way, I don't know if maybe there's people who are not in the team here, but if you want to be part of the team, we have some very nice special for you. You can see that on the screen. You can pause. We have that special, which will end very soon. I will be updating everyone. That ends very, very soon. So for those who want to be part of that, they can just pause that video. And now we're waiting. Now we are waiting for the market to show us what will happen. What will happen? It seems like the market will be going up. Now I'm sure that they will be cutting the rates. Now I can say I am very sure that they will end up cutting the interest rates because CPI, it was not really that aggressive, which is a very good thing. Did not really go down that much, but it's a very, very, very good thing. Retail sale also went a little bit lower. That's very good. And for those who trade Nasdaq, next week we're going to have NVIDIA earnings. Next week we have NVIDIA earnings. So that is going to be a very nice thing because we know that they might beat their expectation. And if that is going to be possible, if that is going to happen, we will see a very nice push to the upside. Plus, if you did follow a few weeks ago, we had earnings from Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. They both beat expectation, but the market did not really go aggressively up. And if maybe NVIDIA comes back with some very nice news and we have in CPI, which is also going down, guys, I'm telling you, this thing's going to fly. We will be reaching 19,000 or 19K very, very, very soon. Very, 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 very soon. I'm telling you, we are going to eat here. We are going to smash this. So don't forget to smash that like if you did not really like before, but if you did not really subscribe, if you want to be like, you don't really want to miss our daily analysis, our live sessions, the best thing that you can do is to try your best to, don't forget, like to smash that subscribe button so that you don't really miss anything that we will actually do here. That Nasdaq starting to go up. We left with 15 minutes before the market opens. It seems like that gold will try to go even higher. That gold is trying to go even higher. So that's what we want. That's what we want at the moment. Yeah, but we're just waiting. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It seems like the market will be trying to actually go up. Let's hope that we're not going to have that reversal. If we have, let's hope that maybe it's going to reach this area and continue going up. I'm expecting that. I'm expecting to see that. Let's see. Guys, do you actually want me to continue going on the live session? Just let me know on the comment section how many times, or let's say, actually we can say how many times do you feel like it's a good number to go live during the week? And if maybe how like which day, like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, which day do you feel like it's very good time for us go on the live session? Then we can start to plan nicely. If maybe we need to go on Wednesdays only, we can do that. If maybe we need to go Wednesday, Thursday, we can do that. Just choose that. Let me know. Let's talk on the comment section, because I know that it's good for some people because they just want to see the live markets and people who are actually doing the same thing as theirs, and that can also help. I know live sessions, they can also help, but we need to plan that nicely. So how many times can we go on our live sessions, guys? How many times should we go on the live session? And which days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, something like that. Let me know. Just joined. Good day, say. How are you, Envy? How are you? I hope you're doing great. Maybe alternate days. Okay. Maybe Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, that can be good. But you can be specific. Wednesday and Thursdays, I think it's also very good. Yeah, I think that is also very good. That's great. Thanks, Eugene and Shinde. Who is they? US or some other nation? US is United States. Or let's say USA then. Who is they? Or maybe I don't really understand. Okay. Eugene, Wendy, I'm doing well, thank you. Oh, that's great, man. Tuesday and Thursday will be perfect. Tuesday and Thursday. Yeah, that is a good combination, because other days we can also do our daily analysis without a live session. That can also be good, because we'll be trying to balance, guys. I'm trying to go on live sessions, but sometimes it can be draining, especially you can't just go like 10 minutes. So it means you have to go like 1 hour, 2 hours, and stuff like that. But mixing that maybe twice a week or 3 times a week, and knowing the specific hours, I can say, okay, we can just do maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 2 hours, or whatever. That can be good, because I will be playing that and doing that to be on my schedule. You said they will cut the rates. So who are they that you wait? Okay. So in the US, let's say in the US, right, there is this committee or organization. It's called FOMC. Let's say it's just a reserve bank, US Reserve Bank. Actually, they are responsible for cutting the rates or increasing the rates or pausing with the rates. So it's not actually the government, it's just a different organization. I think that makes sense, maybe. I think that makes sense. Do you have a Discord or any group I would love to join? First saw you on A1 Trading Show. Okay, yes, we have Telegram. Also, we have Discord, but it's difficult to move to Discord because most of my people don't really understand Discord. Also, myself, it's a bit complicated, but I understand how to use it. But slowly we will be moving straight to Discord. But we work mostly on Telegram, not WhatsApp. So yes, I think on my description, I don't know, even on this description, we have some free signal group. I think I will just place it here on the comment section. We left with 9 minutes before the market opens. So Euro USD, let me check Euro USD. Euro USD. Oh, Euro USD is going up very nice. But what we see here is, I think maybe we might get a nice reversal. We might get a very nice reversal. Do you see that? Already we have a very nice stuff here. The market was going down. We had a nice breakout. Maybe the market will retest before going up. That will be very good. But we still have enough time. We don't really just have to rush. Maybe the market will give us that nice retest before we jump in the market. Market moves on Tuesday, Thursday, sorry, to Friday. Monday it's right for the weekly analysis. Okay. Yeah, slash I like that idea. Monday moves Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays. I think Tuesday, Thursday, because Fridays I go on. Okay, I will see. I think that Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays can work very nice. But on Friday I also have other schedules, but I will see what I can do. Yeah, that is a good idea, by the way. So let me try to share that. Let me try to share my. But just I think it's simple, man. Just go on the description. I don't know if on this description you will find that, but on my video description you will find free signal group. You can join there. You can find some stuff. But on the free signals group, it's not like we're gonna send everything there. Because there's people who paid, but as long as you can just get some updates, I think that is gonna be much better. Yeah, we left with 7 minutes before the market opens, so let's hope that things are going to move very nice. Okay, I don't think they will cut. Okay, let's see. I like this. I like to. Anyways, if maybe there's anyone who understands the rates or the interest rates, let's talk about it on the comment section. I see Jean said, I don't think they will cut the rates next month. I think in September or October. Yes, okay. That is a good statement. I also think like that because especially yesterday, PPI went a little bit higher. PPI means producer index, which means the products that they create, the prices went a little bit higher. So which means maybe next month, but I'm surprised this month the prices did not really go up on the CPI. I feel like they just want not everyone to panic, but when we check, things were still going higher. Remember last month the numbers were crazy. This month is much better, but what if maybe around, let's say, next month, first week, we get like crazy unemployment chains like last month? And maybe what if maybe retail sales and CPI went up again? I think it's better to say they expect to cut, but not especially around June. But with whatever that they said, unfortunately, the numbers did not really go aggressively lower, but it's better than aggressive numbers going positive. This is much better, even though they might not really cut at the moment, but I think that might be possible to cut the rates, especially when we start to see core CPI not growing aggressively. That's not really bad. And if we check, if we compare them, they actually went lower. They just did not really beat the estimate, but they went lower comparing to previous month. So that is a good statement. Thank you for that. Okay, so okay, rate cuts is on the picture, but since yesterday's data went up, they still will hold the rates till maybe the inflation gets out of hand, as well as economic data from the US Fed. Yeah, I think you are also right, because yesterday it was a bit complicated. The numbers were still higher, so I was also expecting to see the numbers not really crazy low today, but at least they did not really go as crazy as lower or higher. I was expecting them to go a little bit lower, but the market, the inflation is still sticky, obviously. So it's gonna be difficult for them just to cut. I feel like they are going to just give us some excuses. I think, as Jean said, around September or October, that might be a very good time. Maybe at that time, CPI will be trying to go even lower. Maybe we might not even reach that 2% of a target, of their target, by the way. But I think maybe things will be cooling down, like maybe NFPs or employment changes. Maybe they will be trying to go down. Retail sales or PPI and PCE, it's also very important. Maybe they will be trying to cool off. And at the moment, if they do that, if they do cut the rates around June, I feel like they might, if they do, they might cut around June, and around September, they might leave them like that. They might just pause because they're trying not to mess things around. It's possible they might cut, and on the next session or on the next event, they will just pause them. Just because actually it was not really a good thing for them to cut. Mostly they will do stuff like that. But we will see. We will see. June is not really that far. Thanks for that, guys. Envy, thank you very much for sharing. Anyone who have any idea, we can share, guys. We can just talk. And we left with 3 minutes before the market opens. Is the market going to go up or down? Let's see. Let's see. Masbungi, Bekeli. Let's see. US30 is still trying to play games. Gold also trying to go a little bit lower, but this is what we have at the moment. Waiting for a proper breakout, which I think it might happen, but maybe a smaller reversal before going up. Maybe a smaller reversal before the market goes up. Okay. Curious question. Where is your accent from? I'm from Muzanzi, man. I don't think you know this place called Muzanzi, a southern African country called South Africa. Unfortunately, I can't hear my accent, so I don't know how I sound. But anyways, I'm from South Africa, man. So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal. We will see if that will happen or not. We'll see if maybe that will happen or not. Let's see. Nasdaq, are we going up or down, man? Are we going up? Give us some bread we need to eat. No, it's fine. Thanks, man. Thanks, Merwa. I think I'm also pronouncing your name, Merwa. Guys, there is. Let me try to share this. I don't know if. Let me try to share this on the comment section. We have also free signal groups. Free signal group, not groups. Free signal group. Copy the link. They're not like us. Here's the free signal group. Let's see. I think I will be pasting the link. See, now we're talking. Yeah, I did that. Pin the message. Pinned. Okay. I did pin that free signal Xtrahot. Yeah, I think it's Telegram. Yeah. I did pin that message. I hope that you will find that. I hope you will find that. So yeah. Now we left with we're not left with anything. The market, it's open. I see gold, it's selling. Let's see the other ones. US30 not really bad. Gold just went a bit lower. So yeah, we're just waiting for that breakout on gold. So if it breaks this area, then we'll be ready to fly. And let's see. Nasdaq playing around, still playing. Let's see if maybe we're gonna have a very nice buy. Let's see if we're gonna have a proper buy. So we're still waiting. Once we reach this area, it's where we can say we're gonna lock the profits if the market is gonna reach that level. So we're still waiting. We're still waiting for the market to do its thing. Nasdaq is trying to go higher. What do you think about USD CHF and other CHF pairs? Okay. CHF, Swiss franc. Okay, let's check that. I don't know if I have Swiss franc here. Okay, I have that. So let me check. Let's do mic check. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. So on this, let's go on a daily time frame because I don't really trade it. And let's see what we have. So I think we are coming from a proper downtrend structure. So we can say, let's double this line. Let's paste in, have a copy that. A nice line there. So I hope you see this. So this is USD CHF. We had a proper downtrend structure. I hope you see that. So from these areas, it's where the market was touching our levels. So we can say we had something like that. So we're expecting something like that to happen, right? So we had a breakout. So this breakout means that we might start to see the market trying to go to the upside. And that is actually a very proper breakout because we also have a nice retest here. So which means we might see the market trying to go to the upside. That's what I'm trying to see. But another thing is, let me try to draw another line because we might have something. Okay. No, that one doesn't really make sense. But I feel like we have something here that the market can respect. Yes, we have that. It's a very nice structure, very closer. So we can't just ignore that. So what we're going to do here is we will try to look for that buy after the market goes beyond this level. If the market goes beyond that level, because there is a chance for that the market might just continue going down. And if we just buy here, that might be a very bad decision or bad idea. So we need to get out of this structure because at the moment, it might be that the market was just adjusting before going even lower. Adjusting, it's like the market breaks out, but it's not really a fake breakout. You might find that the market breaks out just to adjust the structure and continue moving or continue with the previous trend. So we might end up having something like this. I hope maybe that makes sense. So what about GBPUSD? Millicent, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So, and other CHF pairs. Okay, let's see. Let's see. AUD CHF. Guys, I'm not really on CHF pairs, but I will try to check that. Okay, this to me it's a proper downtrend structure, but we need to connect the ones that they connect because this might end up confusing one or two people. Are we still here? or are we still here? So I think the market is going up, guys. Let me firstly give my people that signal. S&P 500, it's now breaking the rules. Now let's go higher and higher and higher. So we can see that we're breaking that level. So let me go on 4 hours time frame so that my people can have a very nice buy on S&P 500. I will go back on that CHF. Don't worry. I just need to give my people some signals, guys. Don't forget that we have some signals group. So for those who wants to be part of the team, they can just let me know. Let me know if you want to eat with us, because yeah, on the free group it's fine, but it's just 1 or 2 signals that you can pause that screen. Talk to me there if you want to be part of the team. And yeah, we also accept crypto payments, which means USDT there. We take that also. Yeah, so on S&P 500, this can be a very nice buy. A very nice one. Very, very nice one. So if the market snap here, if the market breaks this level, the market might start to go crazy. If the market breaks this level, the market might start to go crazy. Let me send this signal as quick as possible. As quick as possible. Let's see, S&P 500. If you break that level, we're expecting to have a buy pending order on top. So that's what we are going to do. The market just opened, guys. The market just opened. It seems like we don't see any aggressive reversal, but let's see. Let's wait and see. We still have enough time. 5287. Five. Yeah, so at the moment, we're still waiting for the market to show us if maybe we are still flying, but that it seems like the market is trying to give us some new highs. So we need to be patient with that. So Nasdaq is still struggling to go even higher. So this might not really be a good thing if the market was thinks about going down, because we are already at the highest level. So which means we just want to see the market trying to go even higher. So gold did reverse a little bit, but we're expecting to see some very nice move after that. I'm confident that we will see gold going higher, and also Nasdaq. But a reversal is a reversal. We can't just try to go rule that out. The market can reverse. We are still where we entered the order. We can see here we are around this level. So if the market just tries to go up, we will see that, and that will be very good. Let's see what's really happening with gold. US30, it's already going very higher, very nice. Let me just play this here. Place that. Gold is still under our resistance, but the overall structure, it is still going up. You can see here. So we might have something like that going up. So US30 on a very nice structure, by the way. We can easily see that US30, even if I did not really, I just showed you this, obviously it's now going even higher. You see that? So once we reach this level around 39900, around this level there, I will be telling my people to lock those profits, because they will be eating. They will be eating, by the way. So, sorry, Millicent, I forgot to check that GBPUSD. Sorry. So GBPUSD, it was already going up, and it seemed like it was not trying to reverse the last time I checked, but now I think it's going down. Now I think it's reversing, and that is a good thing, because now if it's reversing like that, it means that that area, it's confirming with us that, you know what, that area is an area that we can use as a potential resistant. So which means where we are now, we just need to wait and say, you know what, exactly where the market broke out, it might be a very nice area for us to do what, to look for a very nice buy, and we might continue like that. Do you see that? Might continue like that. I think that can be a very good thing. I think that might be a very, 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 very good thing. So I'm expecting something like that to happen. Do you see that? We are coming from this nice downtrend structure. You see that? We are coming from this nice downtrend structure. Then the market broke out. Once the market breaks out, we had a structure that we can easily call it was a very nice resistance structure. We saw this level here, and the market was respecting this. The market respected that. We can say even here, also that area, the market was respecting that level. That was a proper support and resistance at the same time. Now the market broke out of that. You see, so, and we see this level here. So that might be a very nice area for us to say the market might test that before going even higher. So which means we'll have something like this. Once the market bounces back from that support area, that can be a very good buy. But I'm not saying go place orders on your 4 hours time frames, guys. We know that it's very much better to place your orders on a bit smaller time frame. Yes, we have different strategies, but I think smaller time frame, it's going to be much better, or way much better than using 4 hours time frame for your entries. I hope you see what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, I think this area is a very nice area. Let's see if maybe EURUSD is also doing the same thing. Yes, EURUSD is also doing the same thing. We can mark this area also and say that is a potential resistant. It's a future resistant. So we can mark where we saw the market actually breaking out, and we will say, you know what, the market might be coming around this level, and we might buy it once it bounces back, and we can have a very nice buy. But from this area, we are coming from a proper, you can see that, a proper downtrend structure, and the market just broke out of that. I think it was yesterday when the market was breaking out. I hope you're doing great. Any pair that you want me to check? Oh, CHF pairs. We were still on CHF pairs. Let me try to check any CHF pair, because the one that I had, it was only USD CHF. Let me check Uanda. CHF pairs, CHF ZAR, those pairs. I think the one that will make sense is this one. The other ones, I don't think they will make sense to me. Oh, okay. This seems to be a very nice one. It seems like it's going to be quite similar to Euro JPY. Do you see this? CHF JPY, because my brother there said, Kenzo, check also CHF pairs. I feel like this thing's going to be quite similar to GBP, JPY, Euro JPY. Remember, there are, yeah, I think that is what I see. They are positively correlating. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect this area, or maybe anything around that area. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw something like that. And that is actually my uptrend structure. So what we see is going to be moving like that, you see. So we are on a very nice uptrend before we even do anything. So our job is to look for those buy positions. Never try to look for those sell positions when we are on that uptrend. So I see something like that. So let's double our lines. Because the market doesn't actually just respect one line. The market will respect a zone. or an area. An area, you see something like that. So this makes sense to me. I feel like the market will be maybe going a little bit lower around this area. It's where we are going to look for a continuation of that buy. On top there, we have a nice resistance also here. So I think I did check this for you. Any pair that you want me to check, guys? Any pair? Let's go back on that gold. Hey, we don't really want to miss some very nice moves. Okay. Gold is going down. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is just stuck. But remember, I think this will be a very nice move. We're going to have some very nice moves later on. But it seems like the market is not willing to push like higher, that aggressive. But this, at the end of the day, we might have a very nice move. The market is going a little bit lower. Are we going to continue like this? We're not sure, but let's hope that the market will end up going higher. So we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. We are still waiting for the market to do its thing. Let's see. Nasdaq, sorry, US30 is also trying to reverse. Whoa. Gold, it's going down. Gold, it's going down. Will it reverse? Yes, there is a chance that it can reverse. Yeah, I'm expecting it to reverse. I was expecting it to break out so that we can have a proper buy above this level, above this resistance, but it seems to be going down. If it reaches this area, it's going to be a very nice place for us to also look for that buy. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. But just know that when gold reverses, it's going to be a different story. It will reverse like seriously aggressive. So Nasdaq is still playing games, guys. Nasdaq is still playing games. Let's go maybe on 1 hour. I just want to see if maybe this is not aggressive sell. Let's hope to see this is not really an aggressive sell. We're hoping that this is not going to be a aggressive sell, but whoa. Nasdaq is going down. Nasdaq is going down. Nasdaq is going down. Let's see. Two retail patterns that indicated reversal evening stars. Cameron Jacobs. On NAS and gold. So on NAS, I think on gold, it's obvious we had a very nice resistance on top. So it's just a matter of the market to break out of that area. I think this area is no longer important. Let's focus on this. We were on 48 plus 48%, 0.48. Now we are on negative something on gold. You can see it's going down aggressively. So on US30 also going down, but not really that aggressive. On Nasdaq, seriously going down. But we are on the highest level, so it's about time that the market might end up breaking these highest areas. So let's go on DXY. Let's go on DXY. What's really happening? Sorry guys, I think I closed the page by mistake. I closed that page by mistake. So let me do this so that I can just open this page very quick. Come on. I'm trying to go back as quick as possible. Let's go back. Let's go back content. Okay, I think we're back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, now I think it's fine. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, gold is selling, guys. Gold is quite selling. We can see we are on negative already. I mean here it's negative 0.13, but I'm still expecting to see the market going up. I think it was reasonable that the market has to reverse around this level because we also have a resistance. So maybe we might get something like that. That it's actually trying to give us another opportunity, but here it's a different story because on Nasdaq we're waiting for a very nice push to the upside. It's a nice reversal, but not really aggressive to the one that we see on. It's not the same as what we see on gold. Okay, let's wait and see. I think maybe we can have another 20 minutes. We can have another 20 minutes before we call it a day. I just want to see DXY. I forgot. Let's go on DXY because it seems like it's getting... Whoa. Do you see this? DXY dollar index, it's gaining whatever that it lost, guys. Just look at this. The market was going up very nice. Boom. Then the market, we saw a nice breakout around this level. I think it was negative 0.40 something. And now, if we check that, it's going to be a different story. I think now it's like 20, negative something like 20. So yeah, this thing recovered very quick. Earlier, the market was around these levels. So is the market trying to retest before going down? or maybe the market will be giving us something like that. We'll wait and see, because this is an area where the market actually broke out. So will the market continue going above this area, as it seems like the market is reversing here? It will be up to the market. It seems like the market is not really convinced about these moves. The market is not really convinced about the move or CPI and retail sales. It seems like the market is not there. It's not buying it. So the question is, are we going to see another push to the upside? I don't think so. Or, yeah, I don't actually think so. I don't think so. But we will have to wait and see. It's reversing aggressively. It's reversing. Oh, anyways. Let's see Euro USD. Yeah, we can see here that the dollar is not buying it. It seems like it's quite stronger. The news were not in favor of the dollar, but the market doesn't really buy that. So now we might have to reach this level before we go up, which is also good, not really that bad. I think the market will end up doing that. I think the market will end up doing something like that. Let me see something. GBP, oh, GBP is reaching that level that we wanted. So yeah, I will be updating you guys in the team. I will be updating everyone in the team. It seems like the market will be reaching where it broke out. This is a very good thing. It's a good reversal, because we might really have a nice bounce back. We might really have a very nice bounce back. Let me see EXNESS and gold. Thanks a lot, Brakenzo. I'm still holding Euro JPY since almost 7 days. 12 o'clock morning, I'm eating, brag. Good, God bless with your daily analyst. Okay, thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. As long as we eating, as long as you are eating, my brother, that's what we actually want. We want that. We want everyone to eat. We want everyone to eat. So I'm expecting to see a very nice reversal there. So let's see. Gold, that gold, it seems to be trying to reverse. Let me show you that on maybe 1 hour. Okay, that was very quick. Seems like it's trying to reverse. It's fine. We have a notification there. US30, not really that much. We had a proper buy, but the market is reversing. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq seems to be also reversing. Maybe we might end up eating. Sometimes, guys, in the market, for those who don't really know, just know that sometimes you can just get in the market and the market start to go against you. That is not like an instant loss. No. The market, mostly you will go in a smaller loss here and there. Sometimes you hold for 2 hours before you get in proper profit. So it's not like you just get in and instantly you just make money. You see. So even AU seems to be reaching same as GU. Okay. Any thoughts? Let me check that. I think we AUD USD, it was around the resistance. Maybe the market will be doing something. Let's see. S&P 500. I think it's also trying to go up again. So let's go on 4 hours time frame and go on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Let's see. Oh, okay. The market was breaking out. The market actually broke out. So, which means the market is trying to retest. So let's see here. Yeah, this is what we have. So yeah, I think we just have to wait for the market to go above this area and again, because the market likely enough did close above that. So, but now it's a little bit lower. So the question is, will the market continue going down, or maybe the market will reverse? If the market reverses after that, it will be a good buy, because the market actually it's showing us that it's getting out of that structure, that resistance structure. So if maybe we're gonna see a reversal, that will be good. That will be good. That will be actually a very good one. So yeah, I'm expecting to see that a nice buy. Let me see if maybe, I think maybe we can have a nice connection between these areas. It might make sense because we see something like this, maybe. Let's try. It's just trying. We're not, yeah, I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's better than trying. Yeah, you see now. Copy this. Do you see what I see? And by the way, this still makes sense. This makes sense. This area still makes sense. It's still valid. So if there is a chance that the market can touch around this level before going up, or maybe the market will just decide to just reverse anywhere. But as long as the market is going to be above that resistant area, to us, that can be a very nice buy structure. That's what I see on this structure. So it's a very nice structure, but we can say around this level, it might seem to be challenging because this was a very strong resistance and the market broke above that resistance, but now it's just playing below there. So will it continue going down or up? It's up to the market, which means we don't really have to rush the market. We can just wait and see if maybe the market will be doing something. Gold still going down. Euro USD, let me see DXY. Okay, it seems to be playing games now. But I don't think maybe we will have, well, let me see on a 1 hour. The market just closed. Okay, that candlestick just closed. I'm trying to get something, but I don't think this will actually work. So I think we'll just stick to this. This is going to be our area. Very, very, very important area. So will the market go above that? I doubt that. I feel like the market might just play around here before going even lower. But yeah, that might be that the market might take time around that level. The market might take time. You see gold. This thing can reverse, huh? So let's go on back on our Nasdaq. Seems to be trying to go up. Seems to be trying to go higher and higher and higher, higher and higher. So yeah, it seems to be reversing aggressively, guys. It seems to be reversing aggressively. I think even tomorrow, Gbpusd, please. Big ups, Kenzo. Good stream. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Anthony. Nasdaq is going up. Thank you, Sibusi. So, let's see. Let's see if maybe we can get something on Gbpusd and Eurusd. I think I have. Okay, let's go back on that. Gbpusd. I think I don't really have Gbpusd. I will add that, obviously. So, yeah. Let me add Gbpusd. Gbpusd. British and South African Rand. Let's see. I will put these things closer to each other. Firstly, let's just go on Eurusd. On Eurusd, we know very well that the market is actually on that daily, on a daily time frame structure, even on 4 hours time frame, we are still on that nice uptrend. Do you see that? So you can easily see that around this area is a very important level. Very 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see around number 4 there. Around number 4 there, you can see that we have enough chance for the market to do what? Let me mark that area again. We have enough chance for the market to do that because we also had something like that happening previously. Here we had a very nice one also, even here. So we can see that that's how the market moves, and we might see the market going up. And at the moment, we reached this support area, and it seems to be very strong. If the market doesn't really break out of that structure, it means it will be respecting that, and we will see the market going even higher. Do you see that? So that's what I see. So yeah, I don't think maybe there is any reason for me to go on 4 hours time frame here. Let's just go on Gbpusd, then we can do whatever that we want to do. So now we are on Gbpusd. I'm expecting to see quite similar structures because they are positively correlating. Yeah, let's see this. Let's see. Let's try to connect this area. These areas, if they don't make sense, they don't make sense. You can just try to play around that. This one is already a no. And let's start to see. If maybe it's a difficult one, we can just have a simple structure. Start at the end and try to go back. Try to go back. You see that? Very nice one. You see that? I see that. Do you see that? So now what we can say, I think we can have something like that there. That was a very nice horizontal structure. Also around this area, we also have a very nice horizontal structure. So to me, yeah, we are still on that nice uptrend. So which means I'm expecting to see the market going higher around that level. Do you see that? So let's go closer now. On this one, we can go on 4 hours time frame because it was requested. So for me to say we can jump on this, you can see on 4 hours time frame, yes, it was still on that nice uptrend. We can go closer and say, Kenzo, if maybe the market respects this area, once we see a breakout, we can say it's time for us to look for that buy. And it seems like the market already done that. We can just look it nicely. Let's try to draw that because already we see that the market is on an uptrend, but can we identify when it's a right time for us to buy? So let's do that. Let's do that. I like to use those double lines because at least they give me a time to react. Like I don't really just jump on the market. So this time, obviously, I avoid fake breakouts and stuff. So for me to say I will be buying only once the market gets out of this nice diagonal structure. So that resistance gives me a peace of mind to wait to say around this level, it's where I will be trying to buy. After the market breaks out of that, I will say something like this can work in our favor. But if the market doesn't really break this resistance, there is a chance that the market can just continue like this. You see, there is a chance. The market can break that support, but for now, wait for the market to break this level before you think about buying, right? So I hope that maybe helped. I hope that makes sense. Hey, Ivan, we have 3 hours. We've been here for quite long. Guys, we have 3 hours been here. So yeah, I've been sitting for quite long now. So I feel like it's time. It's that time when we need to call it a day. But let's check what we can have here. I don't really want to miss this GBP. This GBP. Oh, GBP did not really reach where we wanted it to reach, but it seems to be reversing already. So which means the option now is going to be above this area. Once we reach above this resistance, that's going to be a very nice buy, which is good. Thank you so much, Ken. Thank you very much, man. So let's see. Euro USD. Oh, GBP actually reached that. I think I will be sending a nice signal above that. So to me, GBP USD did reach this level, and then it's about to go up. It's about to go up. So gold seems to be reversing. So maybe that will be good. I will be sending the signal in the group. Don't worry, don't worry. After we break this level, that can be a very nice buy. I will have to check DXY. It seems to be going crazy by now. So let's push to the to US30. US30 is trying to reverse. We can see that US30 is trying to reverse. Let's go on 2 hours time frame. Maybe you will see that nicely. We were in a nice profit, not really crazy, but okay. Nasdaq also reversed, which is very good, very nice. Now it's time for us to eat, I guess. I think now it's time for us to eat. So guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Sam Holding, you are laughing. What's really happening? Tell us what's really happening. Hi, Kenzo, missed this live in a while. Oh, Benedict, how are you, man? How are you, man? I think I still remember. You, man. Anyways, Nasdaq day one speaking technically are not about to see a reversal because previously the market faked out a lot and dropped your take. Okay, let me check that on a daily time frame. That is possible because now, you know, the problem now is the market is trying to create a new structure, maybe sort of to break the these highs, and the high that we have now is this area. Once we start to break out of that area, to me, I can say now we're gonna cruise because this is daily time frame. This is the highest level that we have. Okay, exactly where we are. I hope maybe we can see this nicely. Exactly where we are, but it seems like the market is trying to break. I think the market is trying to break, guys. I think the market is trying to break. We can see that the market was playing around these levels for quite some time. Just look at this area. This is the highest area that we reached around 18,400, 18,450 maybe. So from there, the market started to give us these reversals up to the point where the market started to give us this crazy sell. Now the market is coming for the second time, or maybe we can say for the fourth time. Let's just say for the second time, because this was just on the same structure. So now there is a question of the market. Will the market break out here? Maybe, because actually news were positive or were in favor of Nasdaq. Maybe we'll see a nice breakout, and that can be a very nice buy. So, but it's up to the market. We don't really have to force to be in the market here. I know that we have a buy pending order, but sometimes, to be honest, we can still wait a little bit. And once we reach maybe 18, let me check. Maybe when we reach 18,450 there, that can be a very nice time for us to look for that buy. But it's not like maybe we're wrong by taking that buy. It's just that maybe we are a bit earlier. I think we are a bit earlier. And we are not actually in a very aggressive sell. I think around these levels, it's where we're supposed to look for that buy, just because it will be above that highest level. You see that highest level is this one here, is this area. But it's fine. We will see what will happen. It seems like the market is trying to reverse, guys. It seems like the market is trying to reverse. So, yeah, I think we will end up eating. Maybe tomorrow I will be updating you about this eating. I will be updating you about this eating. I hope, guys, this might be a very good time for us. This might be a very good time for us. If you did take, please don't fight the market. Tomorrow might be another time, another day. If maybe you took some losses, maybe today, yesterday, whenever, please just know that not every day is going to be the same. And what you need to do is to improve. No one starts great. So you can start from the beginning, try to rewrite your trading plan, try to rewrite your strategies, try to look things in a different way, and try not to copy anyone, because you are different. You are going to experience the market in a different way. And it might not really work the same way that works to me, or the way it works to Sam, or maybe Rupesh, or whoever. So, which means try to be on your own lane, and there's always tomorrow. There is always tomorrow, and don't really fight the market, and just know that there's no overnight. There is no overnight, right? So anyways, guys, I think for today that will be good. And for those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. We have a special, by the way, and it's gonna end very soon. It's going to end very soon. For those who want to eat with us, that it's actually what you can do. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me and still be part of the team. So yes, we resumed with our live sessions. I hope we're still gonna continue. I will see if maybe we're still gonna have enough time just to go like Monday to Friday, or maybe Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, something like that, as long as maybe I can easily breathe. And because sometimes it doesn't really have to feel like a job, so it has to be something that I enjoy also. So yeah, thank you, Kenzo, for the response. We'll be okay to look. I just said I only came in when you are about to end. So thank you very much, man. Tomorrow we might be back here. And yeah, thanks to everyone. Don't forget to smash that like, share with your friends. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to smash that subscribe. I will see you tomorrow, guys. I think tomorrow we'll have to be here. So thank you very much. Bye.